3037, do you know what your rights are if you return goods which you've bought online? A BBC investigation has found that a major online retailer is breaking consumer law by failing to refund delivery charges.
Yes, our business reporter Susanna Reid is here. Good morning, Susanna.
Hello.
Do you just want to explain what people might have thought they had a right to and what has been happening?
Yes, well, actually, we've discovered that Next has been consistently breaching the distance selling regulations, which give consumers the right to a full refund within 7 days. And that should include the initial delivery costs, but Next have been failing to refund that money. And we've also discovered that a number of other companies have been doing similar things in the fact that they've not actually been telling consumers clearly on their website exactly what their rights are, on whether they are entitled to a full refund and exactly how the distance selling regulations relate to them. Internet and mail order sales are covered by the distance selling regulations, giving customers more rights than if they bought the products from a shop because they haven't been able to inspect the goods before they buy them. Most importantly, there's a 7-day cooling off period, and if people don't like what's arrived, they can send them back and get a full refund, and that should, by law, include we spoke to weren't aware of their rights. Trading Standards says delivery must be refunded if customers tell retailers within 7 days that goods will be...
And the majority of businesses that we speak to...
Well, it seems that there's confusion amongst consumers. There shouldn't be confusion amongst the retailers, though, should there?
Well, no, but it seems as though there has been this confusion. A number of staff on helpline and call centres, when we called them, they weren't clear what the distance selling regulations were and the fact that you should get this full refund. Although Littlewoods and Debenhams both say that they do adhere to the distance selling regulations. Next, though, admits that it hasn't been adhering, that it's not been refunding these initial delivery charges. It has, though, been refunding the returns postage, which they don't have to do, but it's not been refunding the delivery charges, which is a legal requirement. Now, they say that it's because they've had clarification from a European Court of Justice ruling in April, and so from August they will start refunding these delivery charges, but Trading Standards say they should already have done so.
OK, and I know you're coming back, Susanna, to talk more about this, so perhaps if people have got some points they'd like to make, they can get in touch this morning. Also talking to Trading Standards this morning about that.